Hi guys, that's Greta,
That's Stephen.
and we're here in our little wood shop, priming and siding.
We were challenged by two channels, Oma and Opa's Camping Adventures, Rob and Marie, and Steve Turtle, Steve and Jill Turtle of Steve Turtle, we're camping, to answer 10 questions.
Yeah.
So I have a question
What's
of
that?
my own.
What's that?
If we were challenged by two channels, does that mean we have to answer twice?
Yeah, I think instead of giving you and me give each an answer, I give two answers and you give two answers.
Okay,
That would be 20 questions.
That's going to bore these guys to
I know.
death, so let's skip that.
Let's just
Okay.
skip it.
All right, so we're just going to answer the 10
I got another
questions.
question.
We'll each give
One more
answer.
question, then we'll get to it.
Okay, one more question. There's a lot of questions.
Whose questions are we going to answer? Are we going to answer Turtles or?
How about we do 5 of Oma and Opa's and 5 of Steve Turtle?
That works.
Okay?
We'll do that.
Fair's fair.
That way we can
We
share.
don't want to create any
Don't
hard
want
feelings.
hard feelings, exactly.
And
Okay.
then stay tuned because we're supposed to challenge, I guess, 5 other channels.
Trick question? Yeah, trick question.
We're supposed to challenge, I guess, 5 other channels.
Yeah, and we're new at this.
Oh,
We haven't even hit the road yet.
it's meant in good fun, people. Don't hold it against us. Okay, the first question. If you could change the one thing about your RV, what would it be?
Okay, I'm gonna change the outside paint scheme of Thor. We don't like the color white. I like the design, but we're gonna give it a real color and do some candies and pearls. Have some fun with it.
Paint it and update it.
Yep.
We've updated the interior, so really everything I would have changed about the inside, we have changed, except for the counter. We have a countertop selected that's just cost prohibitive, so until we find something else, the counter we have will do. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Someday the counter will get changed. But I think the main thing I would really like to change about the RV is its location.
That's a good one.
We're stuck at home.
Working.
Yikes.
I work 2 jobs. I work at work and I come here and work.
70 some odd days left, guys. Then we'll be changing the location regularly. Okay. Question number 2. Something you didn't expect when you got your first RV.
Our first RV was over 30 years ago, and I can't remember
I
yesterday.
don't remember. It was a Terra trailer.
It was I think a 30-foot or a 28-foot Georgie
See,
boy.
we don't even know. The Georgie boy was the motorhome.
Yeah.
That was 20 some odd years ago.
Oh.
The Terry trailer was, we don't even remember how long. I'll insert a picture so you
Yeah.
can see it.
Yeah.
And of the Georgie boy too, the motorhome. But we don't remember the first thing. I don't remember. So what we're gonna do is answer the question as it relates to the RV we have now, which we purchased 3 years ago.
There you go.
Yeah, 3 years ago, almost 4 years ago. Wow.
So what was the question?
Something you didn't expect when you got your first RV, or this RV.
Well, I know what I didn't expect. I didn't expect to rip it apart so soon and redo the inside of it.
What I didn't expect was,
This is all you. You were driving, not
I'm gonna
me.
say it quick.
Okay.
What I didn't expect, because we had checked the tire dates and we had invoices from the original owner and everything else, I did not expect to have a left front tire blow.
There you go.
Driving up the freeway, I-81, 55, 60 miles an hour.
I mean, it sounded like a bomb went off in that motorhome.
And the next morning went and bought 6 new tires. If ever I buy another RV based on that experience, because we did it with our first 2 RVs, they needed tires, so we bought tires for them. This one presumably didn't. But if I ever buy another used RV,
6 new tires.
it's gonna get however many new tires it needs. I will know the history of those tires.
Okay, next
That's
question.
it. Okay, number 3. What was your deciding factor in buying your RV?
For me? That was pretty cool.
Jinx, Coke on you.
Okay, go for it.
Okay. For me, it was the floor plan and the big giant windows. I just love it. I love it. We've redone the interior, but we kept the same floor plan because we just love the floor plan.
It works.
It's homey, we don't need slides, and we have plenty of room.
For me, it was love at first sight. I saw that thing. I love the colors of the stripes. I like the design of the stripes. I love the shiny hubcaps it had on it. It just looked awesome. So I had decided the second I saw it when I was pulling up with the drive that we were going to buy Thor. That was it. It was mine. It's coming home with us. I didn't care about anything else because I knew we were going to tear it apart anyway and make it our own.
And by the way, we lovingly refer to our motorhome as Thor or Thorzy, but it's not made by the Thor manufacturing company, RV company now. It was made by Thor West Industries.
Yep.
And poor Thorzy is an orphan.
She's an orphan,
Thor
so
West-
be kind to her.
Okay, enough of that.
Okay.
What is your favorite meal to cook at camp? Shall we say this together?
We don't camp. But we do love our tacos. And we love our enchiladas.
We live in our RV and we cook all the same things that we do when we live in a sticks and bricks house. It doesn't matter. We do all the same cooking. But if there's one favorite thing I love to do when we do stay somewhere or if we have a chance, and it's something that we usually do if we're at a campground, is scrambled eggs and bacon out on the grill outside.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's the only thing that's different about traveling in a Thor. Is I can't take the big grill with us. So we just have a smaller grill
Okay.
that we can do everything else with.
Amish building going by.
Hey, that's an Amish mobile home, motorhome. They have a storage unit on a trailer towing it with horses.
I think it was burned out. It's been sitting in a farmer's field for a while.
Whatever.
Okay, number 5. What's your must-see RV destination?
For me, it's Bonneville Salt Flats. Not the city or the town or the area, it's the actual salt flats where they race.
We've driven by there quite a few times,
Yeah.
and we've stopped, but
So-
we've never spent any quality time there. And that's
Yeah.
what our
That's what we want
goals
to do.
for the motorhome, now that Stephen's gonna be retired and we get to travel full-time. That's what our goals are, to go back and spend quality time at the places that we've driven by so many times.
And actually, I'd like to put Thor out there and see if we could set a world record for the motorhome. Because I don't think anybody's ever ran a motorhome down
I don't
Bonneville.
know. That's a discussion for another video.
So,
Okay, my must-see RV destination right now is, well, obviously there's Alaska, because Stephen lived in Alaska for a while and I've never been there. It's one of the only 2 states I haven't been in yet. But my must-see destination for right now, and I'm really looking forward to it because with any luck we'll be there in January, is Padre Island in Texas. Another place Stephen's been I haven't been to. Those are far and few between, but that's another one of them.
I used to live in Texas and went to Padre Island a lot when I was a kid.
I'm really looking forward to parking Thor out on the beach and putting out the chairs and just sitting and watching the waves roll in. That sounds like heaven to me. Okay, number 6. What's your favorite thing about RVing?
Favorite thing about RVing? Dang, no. Traveling. I just love it when we get in Thor and go. I like to see what we see on the road. We always take the back roads whenever we can, and there's just a ton of stuff to see. So that's what I like.
For me, it's, well, the journey, all-inclusive, I guess. The journey, the destination, the friends we meet along the way, and the fact that we get to spend more time with family. Since we have a motorhome, when we go to Massachusetts, we don't have to stay in an expensive hotel room, and we get to spend more time with family. And if it means I have to boondock in the Walmart parking lot in the middle of winter when it's
cold.
single-digit temperatures with wind chills in the negatives, then that's what I do. But I get to be there with family, and that's what makes me happy. So, what's our least favorite thing about RVing? I think we're united in this one.
Paying for the gas that goes in Thor.
Fill in that gas tank.
Fill in the gas tank.
100-gallon gas tank. Eesh.
So
Not as bad right now as it's been, but
but when she gets close to a half a tank, she gets filled up again.
she gets filled up.
She never goes hungry.
No, we keep her tummy full.
Yeah.
What's a must-have on your next RV? I know what mine is.
Oh,
A steering wheel.
steering wheel.
I like to drive. I love to drive the motorhome. I drove the Georgie boy a lot, mostly because I don't know why. We both drove it.
We both
a
drove the
good bit.
Georgia boy.
But we were moving cross country, and Stephen
I
drove a
drove.
rental truck
Yeah.
and pulling a car trailer, and I drove the motorhome behind it. So I've just gotten used to driving the motorhome, and I love it.
My only requirement for if we ever get another motorhome, 6 wheels and a good running engine. That's it, because everything else is going to get gutted and we're going to rebuild it anyway.
More
So
than likely.
well, it don't matter as long as it's got a good frame and 6 good wheels on it.
Did it once, we'll do it again, I'm
Yeah.
sure.
That's it. What's
Okay,
next?
what's your favorite adult beverage at camp?
Well, to be perfectly honest with you, I don't much care for drinking. Not that I don't care if anybody else drinks. I just don't drink.
We don't
But,
drink. We don't drink a whole lot. And
I'll drink socially. I mean, if somebody offers me a beer, I'll have a beer or a glass of wine.
there's a little bit of a backstory to that too. We can't keep adult beverages in the house with Brian
No.
because she's on medication and she can't have it, and she doesn't understand. So we just don't keep adult beverages in. I do like a glass of wine once in a while or a beer now and then,
Yeah.
but for the most part, my favorite thing to drink most of the time is unsweet herbal iced tea.
And I'll go for a Coke.
Yeah.
If you want to put something in that Coke, a little Jack, or that's fine by me too. But
Yeah, we just have to hide the bottles.
just hide the bottle from Brie.
So, okay, and number 10, the last one. What's your favorite indoor accessory? Now, I don't really know if this has to be RV specific accessory, but this was hard. This was the hardest thing because I looked around the motorhome for 20 minutes trying to pick out one thing that's my favorite thing. And I guess if I have to narrow it down to one, we put in some coat hooks by the door that have our initials, Stephen's, mine, Abby's and Bree's.
Yep.
They have our initials, and the clock, Stephen made a clock above it with a coat out of a hubcap.
Yeah, 3640.
36 hubcap, and we paneled the wall with tongue and grooved and distressed it, and that's it. Those hooks on that wall in that location are so handy for the dog leash, jackets, bags, shopping bags, the camera bag, anything that needs to get hung to get picked up out the door or get set down when you come in. That's my favorite thing. I just love how they look, and I love how functional they
Cool.
are.
Now, for me, an accessory is something that was added to the motorhome that it didn't have when it was new. That would be an accessory. And Thor had Venetian blinds in it from the factory. And we took those out, and Greta made some really nice drapes. Full-length drapes, lined. They're beautiful.
Insulated.
Insulated. They work fantastic.
They work better than double pane windows,
Yeah, they really do.
so
So that's my favorite
more efficient.
accessory.
And then I guess if we have a joint one, it would be the turntable that we bought for Thor.
Yeah, we are probably the only motorhome out there with an actual turntable, and we do carry vinyl in Thor. So I guess we need to nominate 5 people.
Yeah, we're gonna do this pretty quick so that we can get back to painting. We mean this in good fun. I know we're new to YouTube, and I hope nobody gets mad. I didn't get mad.
Don't shun us.
But these are the channels that we thought might be fun to hear your answers to the 10 challenge questions. Karen and Dave with our Endeavor. Hi guys.
And we subscribe to all of these channels, so.
We really enjoy happy hour on Sunday nights with them whenever
Yeah.
we can make it. RV Jedi. And another one, Extraordinary Journey. If you haven't seen their channel, please go look for them and watch. They adopted 2 children with Down syndrome. They're still young and they're out on the road. And we are really looking forward to meeting up with you guys. Hi, friends. Hope we're still
Hey, Bree.
friends. Bree, come here.
Bree, come here, Bree.
We gotta do more.
Okay.
Jumping off the cliff.
There you go, jumping
Hi,
off
guys.
the cliff.
So, oh man, maybe we can throw it into RV Texas, y'all.
RV Texas, y'all. Yeah, because we got so we
Come here,
could
Bree.
be.
Come here, Bree.
Come here.
Go stand over by Daddy.
Over
Go
here.
around and stand by Dad, so we can get you in the video.
Come
Yeah,
on.
You just got out of the warm car. I know you're in your shirt. Bree sits in the car and listens to the radio when
Come
we're
on.
working sometimes. So
Turn around. Wave to the camera.
there we go. Wave.
Wave. See the camera? There you go. Hi.
So what's your favorite thing about RVing?
Huh?
Coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's an interesting one.
Oh, okay.
So anyway, thanks for listening to us with our goofy answers and our goofy questions, and I hope you found this one fun. We really appreciate
The opportunity.
the opportunity. Thanks, Rob, Marie, Steve Turtle, Jill. Thanks for thinking of us. We're running out of time. We need to get back to prime and siding so we can get it installed so we can hit the road. So,
Yeah. So see you guys.
Say see you later.
Say-
Bree.
Tell them to like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. Good.
Good.
Good job. All right, guys.
Love you, kid.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day.